Today we'll talk about how can you enable details on your app, on your RetailMeNot app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down, you click here on account down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on settings, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on push notifications. So then you come to next step here, click on notification categories here. Then you come to near details here, you just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us. That's mean near details notifications enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.